Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If I can get you to do two things before this video ends. One, subscribe. Two, if you like the content within this video, hit that like button. And let's push forward. Oh, what a treat I have for you today, a 1951 Mercury Green Marauder. This car is truly special. Let's take a walk around this vehicle. What a beautiful exterior and interior this vehicle has. It has one of the most unique steering wheels I've ever seen. Let me know if you like the steering wheel by leaving me a comment below. Please subscribe. It's free. Help this channel grow. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Keep pushing forward.